Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today we are going to be making a truly incredible vegan Caesar kale salad. The first thing that you're going to need to do for this Caesar dressing is I have a high-powered blender, and in my blender, it's a Vitamix, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of blanched almonds. Now, if you don't have a high-powered blender, you're going to want to soak the almonds for about probably 5 hours or a little bit more, just to soften them up. I'm also going to add 3 cloves of peeled garlic, and I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to squeeze it into a bowl first so that I can make sure that I don't get any seeds into the Vitamix. Pour the lemon juice into the blender, and now I'm going to get a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, one tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tamari, one teaspoon of mellow white miso, I think I said 1 teaspoon of that, so 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that word. If you can't find it, because it is a bit hard to find, then you can leave it out. It doesn't, the recipe doesn't require it, but it adds a bit of flavor. And 1/4 cup of water to help thin it out. I might find that I'll need to add a little bit more water, but we'll see once it's blended. And the last thing that I'm going to add is liquid smoke. I'm going to add just a little bit because it is very strong. So I'll probably add about 1/8 of a teaspoon. It comes out quickly, so you have to be very careful. There. Now I'm going to wipe my finger and blend it all up.
Hang on, hang on. Is that a Dachshund unicorn?
It is. Oh. Stay magical. Okay. Louder than the motorboat. I'm just going to scrape it down a little bit because I noticed there are some pieces of almond, or that might possibly be garlic, on the side. So I'm just going to scrape it down and blend it up just for a few seconds longer. Okay, so that's done, and I'll just show you that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to pour it. I have a bunch of kale, 1 bunch of kale that I've ripped into small pieces, and I'm going to pour it onto the kale and then just massage it into the leaves of the kale. I'm not going to use all of it. There's a little bit left, but I might need to add more. I'll see after I start massaging the kale. This is the biggest bowl that I have around here, so you'll probably want to use a bigger bowl because it's tricky trying to get it to stay in. So the more you massage the Caesar dressing into the kale, the softer the kale will become. And that's the way I personally like it. I like eating a kale salad with softer kale leaves. Right, the leaves of the kale have softened up with the dressing, and I'm just going to add some sliced grape tomatoes and some raw pumpkin seeds and some hulled hemp seeds. And maybe I'll actually add just a little bit more nutritional yeast on the top. I love this stuff, and you can never have too much as it blows away. Okay, great. There it is. All right, well, here is the vegan kale Caesar salad.
And Letty.
And Letty and Kaya.
Wow.
This really is excellent dressing.
So garlicky.
Really creamy, really garlicky, fantastic. I think it's rock star quality.
It's definitely rock star quality.
Good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell to be notified for future weekly recipes. Thanks a lot. Bye.